Chapter 14. Plants around us. Key points. Parts of a plant. Types of plants. Plants need food. Useful plants. Meher, can you tell the names of different parts of this plant? Yes, ma'am. It has leaves, stem, roots, flowers, branches, etc. Neha, now you tell me where is the stem? Ma'am, this is the stem. We see different types of plants around us. Plants are very useful for us. Parts of a plant. A plant has many parts like stem, roots, leaves, flowers, branches, and fruits. Each part performs a specific function. Stem keeps the plant erect. Leaves, flowers, and branches grow from it. Roots fix the plant to the soil. They usually grow under the ground. Leaves are usually green in color and make food for the plant. Flowers are very attractive parts of a plant. They produce fruits. A fruit has seeds inside it. Seeds grow into new plants. Types of plants. There are different types of plants: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. Trees. Trees are very big, tall and strong plants. They have a thick, brown and woody stem called trunk. They have many branches that bear leaves, flowers and fruits. Their roots are also thick and strong, which grip them firmly to the ground. They can survive for several years. Mango, coconut, peepal, neem, etc. are some examples of trees. Shrubs. Shrubs have many thin, brown and woody stems. Their branches grow very close to the ground. They are not as big as trees. They are also called bushes. They survive only for a few years. Rose, hibiscus and henna are some examples of shrubs. Herbs. Herbs are small plants with soft, thin and green stems. They die after bearing flowers. They live only for few months or a season. Coriander, mint, spinach and grass are some examples of herbs. Let's go an extra mile. Many herbs are added to food to give flavor. For example, mint. Climbers. Climbers are plants with weak stems. They are unable to stand straight. They need support of other plants, sticks or walls to grow. Grapevine, money plant and bougainvillea are some examples of climbers. Creepers. Creepers are plants with very weak stems and thin branches. They grow along the ground and typically bear large fruits. Pumpkin and watermelon are some examples of creepers. Plants need food. Like us and other animals, plants also need food. Plants can prepare their food on their own. Leaves make food for the plants and hence, they are also called the kitchen of the plant. They use air, sunlight, and water to make food. The prepared food is carried by the stem to different parts of the plant. Food which is not used by the plant is stored in the stem, leaves, fruits, flowers, and seeds. These parts are eaten by humans and other animals. Useful plants. Plants are very useful for us. They provide us many useful things like food, shelter, medicines, clothes, wood, oil, paper, etc. They make the surroundings attractive and pretty. They are our green friends. Some important things that we get from plants are given below. Food. Most of our food comes from plants. They store food in their different parts. These parts are eaten by us. Flowers. Cauliflower, broccoli. Leaves. Cabbage, spinach. Fruits. Pear, apple. Seeds. Peas, madge. Roots. Radish, carrot. Stems. Sugarcane, ginger. Plants also give us nuts. Nuts are dry fruits. They have very hard shells. Almond. Groundnut. Cashew nut. Let's go an extra mile. Dry fruits are very rich in nutrients. Spices like cloves, pepper, cumin, cardamom, cinnamon, etc. are also obtained from plants. Spices add taste, color, and aroma to our food. We can store spices for a long time. Indian spices are popular all over the world. Let's go an extra mile. Olive oil is considered to be very good for our heart. We also get tea, coffee, sugar, and cocoa from plants. Cooking oil is also obtained from plants. Oil obtained from plants is also used for massage and oiling our hair. Most of the animals like cow, goat, deer, elephant, zebra, etc. eat different types and parts of plants. Some other animals like tiger, lion, and wolf eat plant-eating animals for food. Thus, all the animals depend directly or indirectly on plants for food. Shelter. A large number of animals like monkeys, squirrels, birds, and honeybees depend on plants for shelter. They make their homes in or around trees. Animals like elephants take shelter under big trees. Fresh air. Plants provide us fresh air to breathe. When plants prepare their food, they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen from the air. Animals and human beings need oxygen to live. Oxygen is also needed for burning. Other things. We get many other useful things from plants. We get medicines from various plants like neem, holy basil, and eucalyptus. We get fiber from some plants like jute, cotton, and coconut. Their fiber is used to make bags, clothes, and ropes respectively. We get wood from trees like teak, deodar, and shisham. The wood is used to make furniture and also used as a fuel. The pulp from bamboo trees is used to make paper. Plants like henna and indigo give us dyes. Pine trees provide us with resin which is used to make paints. We get rubber from a rubber tree. We get gum from the stem of an acacia tree. Perfume is made from the petals of flowers like rose and jasmine. Compost is made from the dry leaves of plants. It is used to make the soil fertile. Flowers and leaves of many plants are used for decoration and making bouquets. Elder talk. Plants and trees are important for the survival of the whole world. Read and recall. A plant has many parts like stem, roots, flowers, branches, etc. There are different types of plants, trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers, and climbers. Plants are very useful for us. We get many things from plants like fruits, vegetables, spices, oil, wood, and so on. Plants use sunlight, air, and water to make their food. Plants provide shelter to many animals like monkeys, birds, and squirrels. Plants give us fresh air to breathe. Plants also provide us many other things like paper, gum, resin, perfume, and fiber.